selamat datang di channel YouTube Andina Art and Craft, tempat di mana kreativitas bertemu keajaiban. Blind box edisi gantungan kunci Sinchan Family. Ada 6 blind box dengan variasi warna yang berbeda. Di dalamnya ada surprise gantungan kunci seri Sinchan Family. Lanjut. Pertama-tama kita siapkan dulu template yang sudah di-print. Oh iya, edisi kerajinan kali ini kalian bisa loh jadikan ini sebagai ide jualan atau berbisnis. Karena sumpah blind box ini tuh lucu banget loh dengan hadiah yang berupa gantungan kunci seri Sinchan Family. Untuk template ini kalian bisa download secara free ya. Dan untuk linknya kalian bisa cek di deskripsi box. Oke deh, selamat mencoba ya. Jangan lupa ditonton terus sampai habis.
And all I know, it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama. We'll find our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my world this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand. And I'm too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from
Nah, gimana? Mudah bukan membuatnya? Buat teman-teman yang belum subscribe, jangan lupa ya langsung di-subscribe channel YouTube Andina Art and Craft. Juga like, komen, dan share setiap videonya supaya Andina Art and Craft bisa lebih semangat dalam membuat video-video berikutnya. Terima kasih sudah menonton video Andina Art and Craft ini. Sehat-sehat selalu. Bye.